Hi guys, do I have a treat for you? A week ago, me and the wife went to Academy Sports and I picked up this little number by Mossberg. It is the Mossberg International 715P. This little beauty right here. Oh, did we have some fun at the shooting range with this? I mean, she loves it. She loves the little red dot sight and everything. Man, we just could not get enough of shooting this thing. I bet we put 250, 300 rounds through it. Just had a really good time with it. Loading the clip, it can be a bit much. But since I already have a Mossberg 702, I just took the 10 round clip and we used it as we were filling up the 25 rounder. But this thing works absolutely great. Of course, I put the little light on it and the foregrip. This UTC quick aim red green dot sight. It works pretty good. I haven't had any problems out of it. It's holding 0. We're shooting it out to about 15 yards, no more. Probably try to stretch it out to about 25, 30. But we love it. It's a great little shooter. Looks mean. But this is the Mossberg International 715P. It's a great little pistol. I've enjoyed it so far. We're going to be at the range this weekend, so once again, the Mossberg will be going with us. Yeah, really like this one. Okay guys, that's it on this Mossberg. You have a great afternoon.